Yes, pronoun. Welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. In this class, we will discuss about pronoun. As we know about noun, noun means naming word. The name of thing, place, or places. Okay, it is called noun. So, what is the actual meaning of pronoun? Pronoun means
मैम प्रोनाउन के साथ वी1 लगेगा.
yes.
प्रोनाउन के साथ वी1 लगेगा.
Listen, Karthikeyan. Okay. Pronoun means what? Pronoun. It is a word which use instead of noun. Pronoun is a word which used instead of noun. Noun जो होता है सेंटेंस में उसके जगह पे हम क्या करते हैं? दूसरा वर्ड यूज करते हैं. Just like this. Listen. If I say If I say Rihanna is very good girl, Rihanna is tall, Rihanna wears a beautiful dress, Rihanna plays different games, Rihanna eat vegetables, Rihanna very beautiful girl. Each and every sentence I use noun of Rihanna. So it looks odd. It sounds odd. Okay. So instead of noun in the sentence, we use one pronoun. Okay. We use one pronoun. Which one? She. Just now listen. Rihanna is a good girl. She is tall. She plays different games. She wears a beautiful dress like this. Okay? So, she is the pronoun in the sentence. Where we use instead of noun. We use instead of noun. Okay, students. So, shall we start? Yes. So, write this sentence in your copy. Write the topic name, pronoun, or pronoun. Write in your copy, note it down. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. A pronoun is word, so it is a word used in a place of a noun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun.
सर लिख लिया.
Yes.
अभी आ गए.
Let's everybody completed this.
सर 4216 माइक बंद करवा.
Students, I request you all, please mute your devices. Unnati, sit properly. What are you doing?
सर साइकिल.
Yes, a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. Noun के जगह पे जो भी word यूज किया
इसके
जाता
बाद
है,
क्या लिखा है?
repetition of the noun. It is called pronoun. Okay? Yes.
यार प्लेस के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Place of a noun.
ओके सर.
Please turn on your camera. For example, Nancy is my classmate. Nancy is my classmate. In the next sentence, we use she is very intelligent. Here, we are not using the name of Nancy again in the second sentence. We use she instead of Nancy. Okay, instead of means के जगह पर Nancy is noun की जगह पे हमने क्या यूज किया? She. So she is pronoun. She is very intelligent. First, this is second. Rahul is a good.
Third side, please.
Rahul is a good batsman. He plays football. Okay.
Third side, please.
Now in this sentence, we are not using Rahul again. We use he instead of Rahul. So he is the pronoun. He is pronoun.
सर यहाँ पर also आएगा. He plays also football as well.
Raghav. He plays football as well. As well का मतलब क्या होता है राघव?
थोड़ा अच्छा.
हाँ? No. थोड़ा
अच्छा.
उसके साथ साथ वो फुटबॉल भी खेल लेता है. Okay.
Third side, please.
Yes. Rahul is a good batsman. He plays football as well. राहुल एक अच्छा बैट्समैन भी है, उसके साथ साथ वो अच्छा फुटबॉल भी खेलता है. That is the meaning of the sentence. Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes. Let's take another one.
Sir.
Shall I do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Third sentence I am writing here. Anu and Ami are late. Anu and Ami are late. They will miss the train. They will miss the train. Now in this sentence, two nouns we can see here, Anu and Ami. But instead of these two nouns, we use they in this sentence. So they is pronoun. Okay?
Done, sir.
Yes, in the first sentence we learned she is a pronoun, he and they. So three pronouns we learned here. she, he, and they.
Done, sir.
Now another sentence I am going to write here. Gita is very clever. Full stop. And next,
The
Dash can read fluently.
She.
Which pronoun?
She.
He.
She can read fluently.
She. She.
Fluently.
Can read pure.
She can read English fluently. She can read Hindi fluently. She can read Japanese fluently. Like they say, you can use this sentence or you can write this sentence. Another use. Let's take another one. It is strict.
Done, sir.
Read. Done, sir. I have done, sir.
Okay. Fifth sentence. I'm going to write here. Just check it out.
हिंदी की तो आएगी
Yeah. Rohit and Sachin are best friends.
पैसा
सर निपेक्षा का माइक म्यूट करवाओ
Mute your devices. I request you all. Rohit and Sachin are best friends. Dash always play together.
सर सर
सर दे
सर ही
दे
Is the correct pronoun in this sentence.
सर दे
Yes.
डन सर
डन सर
डन सर
डन सर डन सर डन सर डन सर
Yes.
डन सर डन सर
Vitamin.
डन सर
आई हैव डन सर
Students, if you want to say done, you can comment. You can type done sir in comment section. Okay, don't disturb the class. Yes, students, we learned a pronoun. About pronoun, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. We learned from the sentences or through the sentences, he, she, or they are the pronouns. There are many pronouns. Okay, there are different pronouns there, just like I, my, me, mine, myself, we, our, us, ours, ourselves,
Herself.
yours, yourself, he, she, him, her, his, her, his, hers, himself or herself. Okay? So shall we learn this? Shall
Yes.
I? Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
No,
this-
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Shall I learn this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Now some examples we are going to write here. Examples of pronoun I, me, my, myself, we, our, ours, ours. Okay, just make a list. All these words are called pronoun, which is used in the sentence in place of noun. Ours, ourselves, he, she.
सर आपने दे नहीं लिखा.
लिख रहे हैं, सभी वर्ड्स लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है? You, your, yourself, they, themselves, he, her, hers. Then, their, theirs भी होता है. I, me, my, myself, we, our, us, ourselves, he, she, it, you, yours, yourself, they, themselves, his, her, hers, they, their.
Sir.
Done,
Yes.
sir.
हम इसको
I have done, sir. I have done, sir.
Done, sir.
So that topic,
बाद में नहीं दिखे रहा.
we will discuss tomorrow. Write fastly.
I have done, sir.
I have
done, sir.
I have done, sir.
I have done, sir.
Who is Karthikeyan Giri? Please turn on your camera. Karthikeyan Giri, what happened with you? What's wrong with you, Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
आपने कैसे बोला अभी?
Sorry, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Today we learn about pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay. So we listed out some pronouns which is generally used in the sentences. I think you must have read it. You must have written in the sentences. Okay. I, me, my, myself, we, our, us, our, self, he, she, it, you, yourself,
I have done, sir.
her, us, they, and they.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes.
I
So
have done, sir.
there are three categories of this pronoun. First one is first person. The pronouns which is used for the first person, these pronouns are called first person. Some pronouns are used for the second person. These are called the pronouns for second person. Third person. Yes. So just listen. If I am talking here about myself with using some pronouns, it means I, me, myself, my. So these pronouns are called first person. First person here is me. Okay, it means me. I am talking about me with using some pronouns. These pronouns are called first person. Okay, in these pronouns are in the category of first person. ईशा पालीवाल अंडरस्टूड जो प्रोनाउंस हम अपने खुद के
Yes,
बारे में
sir.
लिखते हुए यूज करते हैं उन्हें हम फर्स्ट पर्सन इस कैटेगरी में क्लासिफाई करेंगे. सो विच प्रोनाउंस आर देयर? आई यानी मैं, मी मैं खुद, माई सेल्फ मैं खुद. ओके, आई, मी, माई, mine also is there a pronoun. Okay, and myself. Yes. Let's talk about second person. Second person. अगर देखिए मैं किसी दूसरे पर्सन के बारे में सेंटेंसेस बोल रहा हूं. If I am talking about the another person which is in front of me, okay, if this pen is of Vinit, ये अगर विनीत का पेन है, ओके, तो मैं ये कैसे बोलूंगा? This pen is yours. This pen is yours. ये आपका पेन है. ओके, आपका यानी मैं दूसरे व्यक्ति के बारे में बोल रहा हूं. ओके, so this pronoun is included in the second category which is known as second person. Okay, some pronouns are used to introduce the second person in the sentence. This pronoun are called second person pronoun, or we call it second person pronoun. Like you, your, yours, and yourself. You, your, and yourself. There are three second person pronoun. Understood? फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन कौन कौन से हैं जो अपन हम खुद के बारे में यूज करते हैं? आई, मी, माय, माइन, माई सेल्फ. 5. आई, माय, मी, माइन, माई सेल्फ. आई, माय, मी, माइन, माई सेल्फ. Okay, first person pronoun. Second person, you, your, and yourself. You, your, and yourself. Okay, and let's talk about third person. Third person, मैं खुद के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, सेकंड पर्सन के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, जो कहीं दूसरा तीसरा ही है उसके बारे में अगर मैं बता रहा हूं, उसके बारे में अगर मैं बोल रहा हूं, तो उन सारे जो प्रोनाउन होंगे उनको थर्ड पर्सन बोला जाता है. Some pronouns are used to introduce the third person in the sentence. Okay, just like he is a good player. He is a good player. We don't know who is he. If we know he is Rahul, he is Rahul, he is a good player. I am telling you, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि Rahul is a good player. So first person, second person and the third person. Understood? मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन हो गया जो बता रहा हूँ, आप सुनने वाले सेकंड पर्सन, लेकिन मैं बोल किसके बारे में रहा हूँ? थर्ड पर्सन, which is not present here. Rahul is a good player. Nancy is my classmate. Nancy, yes, third. Mute your devices. Yes. First person, मैं, second person यानी आप. He,
Sir, voice is not clear. Your voice is not
discuss briefly in tomorrow. Okay, we will discuss this topic briefly tomorrow. So be ready for this. Okay, so that's it. You all enjoyed this class and understood all this which we discussed here. Okay, I'll just stop.